Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Mackenzie. I'm your home girl, and on my channel I talk about all things home. In today's video, I'm going to talk about home decor ideas for the fall of 2021. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with today's video. The big idea here is a cozy, warm, and more of a natural approach and less staged look. So it's very comfortable and even on the casual side. We have been really into the minimalist, decluttering and all that, but this is one of those situations where more can definitely be more. So for all of you that are seasonal lovers and you love to put out your decorations, go for it. Starting with the outside of your home, this may be my favorite time of year that you can really go all out as far as your front porch or your entryway. One really cool thing I really like is when people take the pumpkins and they line like the steps up to their porch. If you don't have like a little garden bench, you can also use one single chair, drape a blanket on it, pop a pillow on there. Okay. I'm going crazy. Okay. So the next thing that brings me to would be other outdoor spaces like your patio or your deck or just your backyard. Put a couple mums out there. If you have a little bench, carve out a little space where you might have a fire pit and some chairs, and you can put some pumpkins around that area. So there's a lot of things you can do in your backyard too, which we don't always pay attention to, especially in the colder months. But this is a really great opportunity to kind of spread the festivity all around the different places of your house. So the next big idea this fall will be bringing the outdoors in. So branch clippings, greenery from your yard. It can be extremely inexpensive or free. We're still going to be seeing a lot of those wheat sheaves, dried out floral arrangements. So it can be super low maintenance or no maintenance, but it really adds that natural element. Pumpkins in unexpected places are really cute and super cheap, maybe even free. Another way to bring the outdoors in is to have wreaths in more of your unexpected places. So on the garage door, or on the inside of your garage door, or on the inside of your entryway door, or on your back door. In my kitchen, there's a door that leads to our basement. So I usually keep a wreath there, just kind of dress it up a little bit. And command strips are the way to go with that. Or you can use burlap ribbon or even twine. You can get really creative with how you hang them, and it doesn't have to be damaging and it doesn't have to be permanent. Another really huge trend is going to be using layers and texture. That goes along with the cozy, warm feeling. The way to achieve that is by adding in layers and adding in texture. So you're gonna wanna switch it out for your thicker, chunkier blankets like this that like have more warmth to them. They have more texture to them. And if all you have are the thinner ones and you don't have a budget to be buying any more fall decor, you can roll up those thin ones so it kind of creates some volume to them, and just put them in a basket that is near your couch and they can stay rolled up. So in addition to switching up the texture of your decor, you are also switching up the colors of your decor. You're going to want to switch those out for more of your deep, rich hues, those fall hues, your berries and mustardy yellows and those burnt oranges. And don't be afraid to use red. The deep sangria red, it can really make other neutral colors pop and look very beautiful. If you are more on the minimalist side and you've got a lot of black and white, it's time to bring in those warmer shades of like cream and gray. Sticking with the theme of coziness and the warmth, you want to put candles and fall scents in every room. So you can use wallflowers, you can use wax warmers. Wax warmers are one of my favorite. I also really like those battery operated candles, and I like to put them like above my cabinets so you don't have to worry about fires of blowing them out or kids or pets or anything. and they're just kind of good to go. You can set them on a timer so they come on every night and make everything look more ambient and warm. You want those fall scents in there. One of my favorites is flannel from Bath & Body Works. But really, you can't go wrong with fall if you want to do a little more, if you want to do a little less. One thing I'm definitely looking forward to is decorating for fall. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one. In today's video, I'm going to talk about fall decor trends. Whatever. Okay. I'm sorry. Home decor. Start over.